Many animals are born into volatile and treacherous communities. Lion cubs start by avoiding the pride. Mothers behave as though society were a dangerous thing. The cubs are born blind and helpless, and she hides them for the first 6 weeks, visiting them only to feed them. Sibling rivalry starts early. Lions are social, but just barely. The mother is facing an anxious moment. Sooner or later, she must introduce her cubs to the pride. It's a risk. Lions kill infants they don't know. It is crucial they recognize these cubs as nephews and nieces, or even as their own offspring. The mother approaches a teenage male, probably her son from a previous litter. She snarls a warning at him. He welcomes the cubs with open arms. A pride male investigates. Their mother can't so easily threaten him not to harm the cubs. Slowly, the cubs win him over. They play with him, almost teasing his conflicting emotions. The new cubs become part of the pride. Mothers, sisters, and older daughters all work together, feeding and guarding the cubs as they turn the Serengeti into their playground.